This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make PDF format in laptop. Open your document in its original app, then choose Print and select Save as PDF to create a PDF file. I will also show how to convert images and combine files into one PDF using free tools and built-in features. Follow step-by-step prompts, choose page size, quality, and destination, then easily save or share your new PDF. In this video, I will explain how to make PDF format in laptop. Open Word, choose File, then Export or Save as, and pick PDF as the format to produce a clean export. Show settings like page range, include comments, and image quality so your PDF matches needs and sharing expectations. I'll guide you through choosing standard versus minimal size and confirm where the file saves so you can find it easily. In this video, I will help with how to make PDF format in laptop. Combine documents by opening a PDF editor or using Print to PDF repeatedly to append files into one document. For images, import them into a PDF tool, drag pages into the right order, and set margins or orientation before saving. I'll show simple tricks to reduce file size and keep page numbering consistent for a professional final PDF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.